Abortion has always been a political flashpoint, and now Maine lawmakers are considering a proposal that would require public and private insurance providers to cover abortion services. Good evening, I'm Pat Callahan.
And I'm Cindy Williams. Federal Medicaid funding cannot be used to pay for abortion, but this bill would allow state taxpayer money to cover the procedure. Anti-abortion activists say this proposal would spike insurance rates and violate the religious beliefs of private business owners.
News Center's Vivian Lee has the story from Augusta.
Pro-life lawmakers like Republican Senator Stacey Guerin was relieved when Democrats withdrew a bill that would have provided coverage to MaineCare members for abortion services. But that was short-lived.
This is extreme legislation being brought by the far left.
A new proposal sponsored by Representative Joyce McCrate would require both public and private insurance carriers to cover abortion procedures. Representative McCrate says currently a 42-year-old federal law prohibits using Medicare funding for abortions in all but a few narrow circumstances. Under her bill, coverage for abortion services would be paid 100% with state tax dollars.
People with Medicaid who qualify for pregnancy care because of the Hyde Amendment in 1976, unless a state makes their own policy about it, does not have access to that part of pregnancy care.
Planned Parenthood officials say requiring private health insurance companies that provide maternity services to also provide coverage for abortions is needed to keep women from falling through the cracks.
A first trimester abortion can run between $500 and $600, and the longer you wait, the more the cost increases. What we see with women who don't have insurance coverage is that they are forced to delay their care.
Now that Governor Mills is moving quickly with Medicaid expansion, as many as 70,000 Mainers could be enrolled within the next year or so. Under this proposal, previous and new recipients would be eligible for abortion services. Supporters say there are exemptions for religious employers, but pro-life supporters say the bill would lead to an increase in premiums for all ratepayers, and many may not want to foot the bill for abortion.
There is a strong element of people, both pro-choice and pro-life, that don't believe in taxpayer-funded abortion.
If approved, the changes in coverage could begin in early 2020. In Augusta, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
A public hearing is expected to be held on this proposal in early March.